So once the video is on YouTube, and you can, if you're not sure which YouTube account it's saved to, right here in the little circle, this is my work account. It automatically saved it to it, but you might have a personal Gmail account or something. It doesn't really matter, but if you're looking for it later on, you're like, oh my God, where did it go? That's how you can tell what account it's saved to. But you're going to want to share it. So I'm going to press share. Actually, time out for a second. Okay, so that's one way you could do it and share the link. But we're going to want to put some privacy on this because we talked about that today. So, oops. So actually, in order to do that, you actually need to go back up to your little circle here, and you're going to go to your channel. And when you go to your channel, you want to go to something called YouTube Studio, because that's where all your photos look. I'm sorry, your videos live. They live in your YouTube Studio. So you should get a dashboard that looks like this, and you're going to go to videos. And it should show you all the videos that you have put on YouTube. Now, for me, it's a lot because I use this all the time, but it might not be for you. And here's the video right here that I just made for you. And right now, the visibility is public. If you do not want that public, you're gonna you can either make it unlisted, which means people with the link can get it, but it's not out there for everyone. So that's kind of like medium security. And perhaps while you're working on this with other people, you might want to kind of keep it there, just so people don't have problems accessing it, or then private. The problem with the private is it means you're the only person who can really see that video, and you can still, I think, get a shareable link, but it just says that only you and the people you choose can see this video. This video won't appear on your channel or search results. I might, for now, make it unlisted until while you're sharing it and making some comments and everything, and then afterwards make it private, but that's just my own personal opinion. Some other things that you can do here, you've got analytics, you can edit. So for example, I think I want to change the title, and I'm going to make this practice recording for students or something like that. And you could, perb or whatever you want to call it, save it. The nice thing is right here, I can also go in and do some settings here. Permissions, that's the one I was thinking of. This is where you would invite other people if you make it private. So there are a couple of different ways you can do that, but again, you have to go to your, let me go back for a moment. Actually, let me just go back to channel videos. You have to go to your YouTube channel in order to, and then once you get to, so I went to your channel, and then I went to my YouTube Studio in order to get to that video and manipulate all the changes. So here it is, videos. So I know it's a couple extra steps, and again, it was this little editing thing right here that allowed me to do a lot of different things with this video. So like change different settings and all of that. So when I'm ready to share it, I'm going to go back to channel videos, and I believe I'm just going to do see the three dots. That's what I click, 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 three dots. I mean, only click it once. It's just dot, dot, dot. And then get shareable link. It says it copied to my clipboard. Another way you could do it is just open the video. It's kind of usually what I do. Actually, double click on the video. And there she goes. Sorry. And then, do you see down here it says share? And that would give me the link as well. So I know that's probably way more information that you want to know, but there you go.